Sparrowsmouth, the Bishop of Comedy. I don't need to wait for anybody to join the life before I pour out my mind and I pour out my disappointment in some certain things that's happening in the gospel industry in Ghana. I'm a Nigerian, as most people know. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a Delta State boy. I not be Ghana. I not be Ghana person. I be from Delta State, confirmed Delta State boy. In Nigeria, the reason why you play most of our songs in Ghana is because we push our own. It's because we have pushed our own. It's because we are ready to support our own. It's because we are ready to invest in our own. It's because we are ready to do things for our own. But in Ghana, it's not like that. Then tomorrow, somebody will go and stand somewhere and be calling you my son, as if when you were doing ministry, he was there. As if when you started the ministry, he was there. Then he will not be calling you my son. I started comedy. I came to Ghana 2012. I think 2011 or so, 2011. I begged for platform. I can boldly call names. People I begged for platform. People that I think that they are going to help me in life. People that I feel that meeting them, I've met my helper. Meeting them, I've met. These are church folks. These are people that are in church. These are people that they pray. These are people that when they post things, it's all about Jesus. When they do things, you think that Jesus is coming tomorrow. I know people that I followed. I know people that I serve. I know people that I was willing to die for. I know people that I cleaned. I basically did everything for. Just for them to help me. Just for them to hold my hand. Just for them to give me that platform. Just for them how will I put? Just for them to help me in life. All I needed was help. I was not in for money. All I needed was just help. That little platform. 2012. From 2012, I know people that I can legally call names of people that I begged, people that we struggle for, people that we did things for, people that all we were looking for is just to show people how to still promote God's work, how to still do this, how to show God that, okay, fine, we can still serve you in our own little talent, because we believe that every good and perfect gift comes from God. We can still serve you with our own little talent. When the gospel guys are doing something small, nobody will see it. Nobody will see it. Then the next thing, when the secular guys do something, then they will be appreciating the secular guys more than the church people. Then 2 years after, when somebody has made his name, you will come and post the person and call the person my son. A pastor was telling me how that parrot, you are my son. You father me. You know how they take bomb me. You don't just know how they bomb me. You give me name. You do give me 10 CDs before. You give me 10 CDs before. Or did you give me 2 CDs before? People that have not contributed to your ministry. People that have not helped your ministry. People that does not even know how you eat. People that does not even know how you eat. People that does not even know how you dress. How you made it. How you come this far. Be saying you are their son. Look at VGM that they just concluded. This thing that's happening, go back and check. At the year 2017, when Joe Metto was contesting for Artist of the Year at 2017, Sonny Badu, not any Dr. Sonny Badu, is a Ghanaian artist. Badu posted Stonebwoy and said Sonny Badu posted Stonebwoy and he said Ghanaians should vote for Stonebwoy, that Stonebwoy deserve it. Stonebwoy have worked hard for Artist of the Year. And your own gospel brother, Joe Metto was contesting, that was 2017 for Artist of the Year. Sonny Badu posted Stonebwoy, that they should vote for Stonebwoy. Then tomorrow people will stand somewhere and say they are playing Nigerian songs too much. The Nigerians have taken over Ghana. Why do you think we will not take over Ghana when we will support our own? I do shows here in Ghana every year. I know how many people that are Ghanaians that they don't even buy the idea that I do shows. But people from Nigeria, far away, they send me messages, bro. You are doing well. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. They support you. Do you know talent we have in Ghana? Do you know artists? Do you know people? Do you know gifts that we have in Ghana? Or if you say the only Nigerian boy is the right song, I'll put you in front of my melody. That song. What is the lyrics? What is there that people cannot write? Look at recently, Kwesi Ote released a song recently. Kwesi Ote just released a song. Nobody's talking about the song. Nobody, no church boy is posting the song. I went to dye my hair. Somebody telling that me I backslide. Me I backslide for dyeing my hair. I backslide for dyeing my hair. And Kwame that is doing dread, that is singing worldly songs. Pastors are posting Kwame Eugene, calling Kwame Eugene my son. Abiam Dansu posted Kwame Eugene, saying, my son, I'm proud of you for the good work that you are doing. Oh, you are proud of him with dreadlock. We that have not tasted alcohol before, that have not smoked before, we are not human beings. No God. Then then I dye my hair, then somebody telling me that I've backslided for just dyeing my hair. I don't know God. I won't enter heaven. Wow, gatekeeper. Gatekeeper, I greet you. You are the gatekeeper, you are the one holding the key. You know the people that is going. You know the people that is going to heaven. This woman won Gospel Artist of the Year, Diana Hamilton. She won Gospel Artist of the Year. No gospel person. No gospel person. If you think I'm lying, go to their page. Go and check. Apart from Joe Metal, apart from Joshon, there's some of the church guys that posted. No gospel person. No gospel person posted. I took time to go to Sonny Badu's page on Instagram. This time you can go and verify. I went to Sonny Badu's page on Instagram. I scrolled down to check. He did not post Joe Metal one day until Joe Metal won Artist of the Year. Then you know that, yes, he can benefit from his gifts. What are you telling me? You are not ready to support your own. All you know is just to call people that have made it son. If I hear anybody call me son, if I hear anybody call me son, when you know that when they give me name, if I hear anybody call me son, promote your own, you will not promote your own. Look at Ghanaian artists. Look at even, let me not even go far. Do you know, I can call names of boys that are working hard, that are going to the mountain. I have this guy, Jermaine Deborah. Jermaine normally do Ignite every year. I know how many people when they post Ignite. I know how many people when they post Ignite. I know how many people they post Ignite to say, oh, Jermaine, we are supporting you. We are right behind you. But if this same boy gets a girl pregnant now, if this same boy, make one girl just come say, oh, Pastor Jermaine got me pregnant. You go see social media go scatter. Same people that will call fathers to start posting. And I be say you're a man of God. How can you get a girl pregnant? How can you do this? But the good ones that we are doing, you people you don't see. The good one that we are doing, you people, you don't see. The impact we are doing, you don't know. We are not anybody. We've not done anything. But when the secular guys do, then you take them, then you raise them up. Hip, 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 hip. The industry in Ghana will not grow. It's not a case. It's not a case. But you see the gospel in Ghana, the Nigerian gospel will start, we keep booming. Then you'll be playing songs in Ghana that you don't even Ekueme, you are the living God. Oh. You don't even understand the song. You just like the song. Why do you like the song? It's because we promoted the song. It's because Nigerians promoted the song. Now let me tell you, it's not that Nigerian population is bigger than Ghanaians. Than Ghana population. That's why our song is hit or we are doing. It's because we take time to promote our artists. We take time to promote the church. We take time to do this. We take time. Ghanaians. Christianity is not practiced in Ghana. I will tell you. I will tell you. If you, see, after me doing my video, if you don't want to be my friend again, me no problem. No problem. You people will wait. When the person has committed bad thing, then people will come and talk about the person. But when the gospel boys are doing something good, you don't talk about it. You are waiting for us to either commit fornication, either to get a girl pregnant, or we say we are tired of the church with backslide. The one who backslide, then that one you will not be happy that Abi was a church boy. Kwame Eugene was a church boy. Kwame Eugene was a church boy. Why did Kwame Eugene leave the church? Kiddy was a church boy. Why did Kiddy leave the church? Do you know people that they've suffered for the church, but they left the church? Because why? We don't support them. Then when they go leave the church, immediately they leave the church, they will start supporting them. They will start praising them. They will start calling them, my son, you are doing well. You are doing well. You are doing well. You are doing well. Doing well for what? When he was in the church, did you promote him? When he was serving God, did you promote him? Did you encourage his gift? Sometimes it's not all about money. That post, only that post alone. Oh, man of God, God bless you. You are doing well. Share the song. Kwesi Ote brought a song. I went to Kwesi Ote's YouTube channel. Kwesi Ote have gotten just 2,300 views for a gospel song. But when Beyonce and Shatawale did the song, we gospel people, we are eager to see the video. We wanted to, is it true? Oh, is it true? Oh, is it true? Let Pastor Nathan Obasi release the song today. Ghanaians will be the first people to go and play the song. What are you telling me? There is nobody that people can stand, that anybody can stand anywhere and say, okay, these gospel artists have helped. There is nobody that anybody can stand. Me, if you come to minister, I know the people that have helped me. 1, Joe Metal. 2, Emoji. 3, Akesi. Number 4, I can count. I can count people. Check Sonny Gbadu. Sonny Gbadu featured Joe Metto on his program. This was his name. Then when you come to Ghana, you'll be looking for people that will carry your Bible and call you Papa. And call you Papa. Papa bless you. Papa bless you. Papa bless you. Are you serious? Papa bless you. You carry oil. My brother, you see, this head, my head, is not Ororo that I carry. It's oil. I know people that have pushed me. I know people that have helped me. I know people that believe in my gift. I know people that push me. If we did not push the church in Ghana, if we did not push the ministry in Ghana, if we did not push the ministry in Ghana, we will remain where we are. Do you know how many artists that we have in? Do you know how many gospel musicians that we have in Ghana that we cannot write about them? Where is Francis Amu today? Let's be frank. Where is Francis Amu? Mass Praise is doing well. Where is Mass Praise? This boy, Kofi Wanting, this Kofi guy, he died recently. Now everybody is posting Kofi. Everybody is posting Kofi. Somebody had the guts to come to my DM and ask me, why you not post Kofi? I said, because when he was alive, I did not post him. When he was alive, I did not post the boy. I did not post him. I did not share his post because he was not my friend on Facebook. I did not share his post. So I don't see the reason why now I will post him. You wait for the person to die, then you now say your gift was a blessing. I remember when he came to my church to minister, you were awesome. You were this. If I die and I hear any compliment or anybody that has not posted my picture before, post my picture, what I will do? What I will do? My spirit, the way my spirit will take slap people for Facebook. Because now that we are alive, you will not post us, you will not promote our event, you will not do this, you will not do that. Then when the person now die, you will not post. What a humble soul. What a great soul. You've made impact. You've made this. You've made that. You've done this. You've done that. Now that we are alive, what are you doing for us? What are you doing for us? Kofi is dead and gone. A man came on, a man did a video on Facebook, and the man was saying that a very big gospel artist in Ghana said because Kofi was on the album, that I will not feature, that I will not play, he will not sing on the album again because Kofi is in it. Then Kofi have died. You are posting Kofi. You are posting Kofi. When the boy don't die, go. You are posting him. Now you want to go and subscribe to his YouTube channel because he's dead. Now when he don't die, what do you gain? What do you gain? When Ghanaian boys are doing, their praise jam, you don't go. You have your favorite that you want to support. Then you come and tell me that that's Christianity. Then the next thing you stand and you start fighting Nigerians. The Nigerian ministry is growing big. Go to National Bass's Facebook. When National Bass was doing birthday, go and check the gospel artists that wish him happy birthday. Just go and check. Tim Godfrey will do, this person will do, this person will do. Sinach will post, this person will post, and you tell me that you are following them, you will not see National Bass's work. How many people here? How many people have posted a Kwesi Ote song recently? How many people? How many people have posted Kwesi Ote's latest song? How many people? Have you posted before? Then the next you come and tell me the Ghana industry is dying. The Ghana industry is dying. It's because somebody will not come and be doing motivational school. Let's support our own. Who have you supported? Who have you raised? Who have you raised? Who have you picked up? The little platform that you have, who have you supported? Who have you gone to say, oh, my way, I'm supporting you because of this. I'm doing because of this. I can count names of people that have helped me. Then when you are there, they don't want to buy from your gifts. They don't want to feed from your gifts. They want to take their glory. A man of God opened his mouth to tell me that by prayer is working for you. I say, Pastor, your prayer no work. Your prayer, it no work for my life. It no work. Your prayer no work. Your prayer no work. And let me say it, I'm a full member of ICGC. I attend ICGC. Apart from ICGC, I don't go to any church. If I'm coming to your church, I'm just coming to be a blessing to you and leave. My church is ICGC. I know people I submit to as fathers. Those are people that have helped my life. And I can count them. They are not more than 6. The rest people, they did not do anything for me. They did not do anything. Their prayer did not even work. All those prayers that you will go far, you will go far, you will go far without transport. I cannot go to US without visa and transportation. I need money to go far. Sometimes it's not even about money. It's about platform. How many people have you give platform? How many people have you helped? How many people have you said, oh, you are supporting this person with this gift? The only gift you do is to share. How many post videos have you shared before? Have you posted my events? Then you wait for me to die. Then you now come and post my picture that this person was a blessing to the church. This person was a diss to the church. This person was. I feel very disappointed and very, very when I saw Sonny Gbadu posting Kwame Eugene that my son, congratulations, Reverend Piam Dansu posting Kwame Eugene. You've not posted Daniel Amutin. You've not posted Celeste Donko. You've not posted Emoji. These are people that sing songs, gospel songs. They don't get value. Oh, yeah, yeah. That's what you're posting. Oh, yeah, yeah. Wrong star. Me no. That's what you're posting. What about the gospel songs? What about Emoji that sat down and wrote song? What about Emoji that sat down? What about Celeste Donko that sat down and wrote song? She picked 2 awards. No pastor was able to say congratulations. All of now, on a slide pass, because it's Kwame Eugene. It's a secular artist. What are you telling us? So now we should leave the church and go to secular. That means when we go to secular now, you support us more than when we are in the church. Will you support us more if we are in the church? If that's the case, then let's all do secular. Why are we doing gospel? If the gospel people cannot support us, why are we doing the gospel? Then let's do secular. Let everybody do secular, because to do secular song is very easy. Let's all of us do secular. You see a young man of God that is coming. We invite you. You too, you do some way. I feel very bad. Was it on Saturday? I was not feeling too well. My brother, Pastor Jamel, went to do a donation at one of the orphanage homes. I was supposed to go with him, but I think I was not too feeling fine. I saw the pictures. I was like, wow, this is a young minister that we have to support. But we won't support him. Those people, we don't know them. Those people, we don't. They will know Patapa. We know Kwame Eugene, a gospel artist that you've trained. You now post a secular artist that we should support a secular artist and leave the church guys. Wow. Wow. The latest one is, if you are beautiful and you are a gospel minister, you are beautiful. Before they will help you, they will not be telling you, do you know you are sexy? Do you know? Hey, people that will go to hellfire, men of God that will go to hellfire, and gospel artists that will go to hellfire. For this support that you are not supporting people. Oh, Jesus. I was listening to Kwame Eugene on OKFM. He said he was in the church. He was playing the keyboard for a man of God. He was playing keyboard. But now Kwame Eugene have left the church. We are not celebrating. So we want everybody to leave the church. Who will win so? Who is going to win so? If you cannot support we that we are in the church, who will win so for you? Who can you write off? Who can you write about that? Okay, I've promoted this person. I've done this to this person. I've done this to this person. I've done this. I've done that. Who can going to do secular song? Boom. Then the person will become a hit. Boom. When they become a hit, when the person has become a hit, then you'll not be saying, I wish I knew, like I would support him. Like I wish I knew, I would do this. I wish I knew, I would. It's too late. The person is now with the devil. Then the next thing you'll not be saying, secular songs are not devilish songs. Wow. Now you don't do secular. 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 Do you know people that have come to the church and because of the way we treated them, they left the church? People have taken their gifts to serve God. Then because of one or two things, you don't support them. Why? Because they have not gotten to your level. They have not gotten to your level. You are waiting for them to get to your level. The level that you are today, it was somebody that took you there. Who have you helped? Then you now come and be promoting secular people. Secular. If I hear anybody when you tell me, say, Parrot, your hair will take you to hellfire. Your hair. If I hear anybody when you talk that thing again, So as for those people supporting secular artists, no problem. We or now will go to secular.